Here are 8 ways that ChatGPT will change the way you market on social media. Although AI-powered tools have been around for the last couple of years, hardly anyone was able to foresee the level of refinement and capability that ChatGPT brings to the table. In fact, you can use ChatGPT for marketing on social media in more ways than one. If you aren't using this game-changing AI tool yet, your competition surely is. To make sure you don't get left behind, here's how ChatGPT marketing will revolutionize the way you use social media for business. 1. Generate content ideas. As a marketer or social media manager, one of your key responsibilities is coming up with content that your followers would find interesting. While checking out the competition has traditionally been the go-to method for finding inspiration, the reality is, doing research takes time. 2. Have it write the content for you. You can, in fact, use ChatGPT for content writing tasks and post the output directly to your social media channels with little to no modifications. It goes even beyond writing the content itself. You can, for instance, have it be written in the style of another writer. 3. Translate your content to different languages. Let's face it, running and managing multiple social media channels can be stressful enough. Well, thanks to what ChatGPT translation brings to the table, posting localized content to expand your social media reach may no longer be a far-flung fantasy. 4. Help you increase conversion rates. At the end of the day, the goal of social media marketing is to sell products and services. Upping your follower count is only a stepping stone that helps you get there eventually. If you're not a native speaker or haven't received proper sales training to know exactly what to say, picking the right words can be a struggle. 5. Have it analyze your industry to refine your approach. Whatever products or services you're selling, they should be better than what your competitors can offer. One of the ways to use ChatGPT in business is to have it analyze the industry you're operating in and give you something you can use in your own social media marketing campaigns immediately. 6. Make it fetch data for you. Although ChatGPT was generally built from analyzing well-written pieces of content from the world's top authors and professionals such as marketing gurus, not many people realize that you can also put it to work by having it fetch fresh data for you. With ChatGPT, web scraping can be done by telling it to generate a script you can plug in and use directly as is, or with small modifications. 7. Learn from ChatGPT directly. Instead of using ChatGPT to generate plug-and-play content, you can also have it be your personal coach if you, for instance, want to learn how to write effective copy that sells. You can ask it to list you the most important elements of social media posts that get the most views. When you're finally ready to schedule your post, do so by pressing the button in the bottom right section of the screen. 8. Post optimization. Did you know that ChatGPT can also fetch the most relevant hashtags? We've written a complete guide on how to find the best hashtags to use on social media, and we even have a dedicated hashtag guide for YouTube. But the takeaway is, finding the golden nuggets will take some effort on your part. What modern-day AI technology like ChatGPT can accomplish is either astonishing or downright scary, depending on your perspective. It can suggest the best social media strategy, give you content ideas, and even copy-paste ready headlines and content for you to publish as is. Now that you know how to use ChatGPT in business, it's on you to put it to good work and let it take your social media marketing to a whole new level.